Guys, our trading session begins now. Okay, so let's continue trading, guys. This is my that day of trading on Trexbic.com, and I'm going to record this trade live as you see. Okay, so guys, I'm going to trade on Trexbic.com, guys. Okay, using an AI bot. All right, as you can see, guys, let me first explain this. And also, guys, I want to remind you that if you see this video on your FYP, remember to save it and like it, because it will never appear again in your FYP. This is very important, guys. So make sure you like this video, save it, and comment, because you'll need this and you'll never find it on your FYP again. Okay, because of TikTok algorithm. So let's continue, guys. I'm going to trade with the AI bot on Trexbic using Binance. Okay, so already I have funded my Binance balance. As you can see, I'm refreshing there. I'm already funded, so I'm going to go on my Trexbic account. You see my Trexbic has 105.3 USDT. Okay, I want to trade today with $500, so I'm going to fund it 400 more. All right, so I'm going to deposit. I'm going to crypto wallet section, and then I'll click on deposit and put amount, choose funding of course, and put amount 500, no 400, sorry, and then I'll click get deposit address. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this deposit address. All right, and then I'm going to go to my Binance and click on send, withdraw crypto, just the same step that people use to withdraw crypto to another address, and then along press that address there, and the network will be TRC20, just as it is here. It's saying TRC20. Okay, so I will put amount 401 because of $1 network fee, because if I put, let's say if I put 400 only, the amount that will be sent out is 399, so I'll put 401. Okay, so the next step, guys, I'll click on withdraw, very easy, and I will click on confirm my passkey. So I will confirm my passkey very fast, guys. I see, you know, right now the screen is blank because of passkey. So the passkey has been confirmed. So now I'll click on withdraw history, and you can see the withdrawal is processing. Okay, at this level, guys, you don't need to do anything. You just need to wait for the blockchain to credit your wallet automatically. So once it's detected, it will be automatically be credited, guys. All right, so that's what I do. And remember, guys, as we wait this deposit to appear, remember to always be very vigilant with your passwords, with your Binance passwords. Always be very vigilant. Remember that if somebody has your email and your password, you can lose your crypto. So always make sure you set 2FA on your Binance and on your Trexbic account, so that you can secure your account. Also, guys, don't forget to when you join on Trexbic.com, okay, when you join on Trexbic.com, guys, use my referral link. Okay, use my referral link so that you can support me as well. My referral link, I've posted it on my Telegram channel. Just come there and help me also earn at least $1. Okay, because I'm taking my time here and recording this video for free, guys, and you're not paying me anything. I'm just doing it of goodwill to help you and the community that is subscribed to my TikTok account. Okay, so it's now 3 minutes. As you can see, the deposit has been credited automatically. So I'm now going back to my wallet, and you can see now I have 505. All right, because I deposited another 400 on top. Okay guys, so without wasting time, because the balance is already there guys, I'm going to go direct and click on the three dots, and then I'll go to okay guys, let me, before I go to trading, I want to explain something. As you can see on my account, it's writing that I have an Elite account, right? Because on these on Trexbic.com they have subscriptions, all right? If I go to P2P market, see on my trades, and let me show you where the subscriptions are on dashboard. They are where? I think they are here. Yes, this one, you can see the subscription plans. They're free. They have free subscriptions where you can make 2 trades every day. Okay, 2 trades, 0 ad listing, 3 spot trades, 3 futures, 13 free trading bots. Okay, you get 13 free trading bots using a free offer. There's a Trexbic Pro 30 per week, there's Trexbic Elite, and there's Trexbic Unlimited. The good thing is, if you have no money to buy a subscription, you can just start trading 2 trades every day for free without any subscription. So that's what I wanted to explain. So as that is explained already, now I'm going to move forward and do my trades. As you can see, for me, I have 30 trades left today to do. Okay, so if you have a free account, you have two trades left. So I'm going to do 30 today, and then I will withdraw all my profits. But for now, I'm going just to do one for you. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots and then go to trading bots, and then I'm going to use the VIP ones. I'm going to use Elite because that's what I'm subscribed to. Okay, VIP, I'm not yet there. So I'm going to use, there's free bots that you can use, so I'm going to use Elite. On Elite, I'm going to choose a bot that has a good percentage on return. You can see this one has 8%, 9%. This one has 8.9. I think the best is 9%. This one called Deribit Breakout Bot. It trades volatility breakout strategy, detecting consolidation squeezes and riding. Okay, so this one has 9.0 return. So I'm going to click on copy the bot, and then I will head here to stake amount. I will put all that I have for 505. Okay, 505, sorry, and then I'll continue. You can see the profit earned here will be 45. All right, so total return to my wallet will be 550 after this trade as it is. So I'll click on sign terms. Okay, and you can see the bot is now running. And if we go to the chart, guys, see the chart, it's showing me how the bot is doing the trades, buys and sells. You can see the bot opened the price on here where you can see the upper price, and now it's moving and moving to upper. So this bot is going just to buy today. As you can see the chart, if I close this chart right now, if I close the bot right now, the chart will stop moving like this. Okay, so the bot is trading, and it has given me about 2 minutes of waiting time before the trades are completed. And you can see the live trading feed is here. You can see it's buying and selling just like on the chart. All right, so let me give it the 2 minutes and wait and see, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share and save the video, guys. Share and save the video, because this video might not appear in your FYP again if you don't do that. Like the video if you like it, and if it's helping you. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section on this video. So the bot is executing trades live. As you can see the charts, you can see the charts. Let me zoom this chart, guys. See the charts, it's buying and selling real time. Okay, So this is the best bot. Actually, this is the best trading platform I've ever met since I've started trading 10 years ago, guys. This has been the best so far. I can't complain, because I have made some really good returns on capital here. So you can see it's executing live trades, as you can see, and it's doing a buys and sells. Immediately the bot stops trading, you'll see the charts will go back to normal, because now the bot is not affecting the market. I have 36 seconds to go, so let's wait. You can see still it's buying and selling on upper price. 26 seconds, guys. 26 seconds to go. Still accumulating. Bot is now buying. You can see now it's selling, and you can see it's selling and it's buying, etc. Okay, there we go, guys. There we go. 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 0 seconds. Now the bot should stop trading automatically. Yes, there we go. So now you see the Rebit breakout bot has just finished trading. The pair was Ethereum versus USDT. Investment capital was 505, profit of 45.4. Okay, so the next step, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on back here, and you can see now my balance has updated. Now if I go to my financial history, and then I go to bot trading, you will see this one. This is for today. Here it is. It is 45.5. So guys, I'm going because I am on a light plan, I'm going to continue trading like that for the whole day. Okay, so that's how it works. But I want to show you how to withdraw as well, so that you don't say maybe I was just trading and without showing you how I withdraw. So to withdraw, guys, these earnings, I will just deposit it later back and continue trading. So to withdraw, guys, it's very easy. You just click on the 3 dots again, and then you go to crypto wallet, and then you choose withdraw, and then, guys, you put your amount 100% if you want to withdraw everything. But remember, available balance here, my balance now, it's available on spot wallet. So my balance on funding is 0, so I'll click on spot wallet, you see, and now I'll put 100%, and I'll continue to address. So now here, guys, I'm going to paste my address from Binance. So I'm going back to my Binance, and I'm going to add funds, deposit crypto, and then USDT, and then TRX. Copy the address, and then paste again the address, then review. See, now it has sent me a verification code to my email. That's what I'm going to wait, and then paste it here. Okay, just a few minutes, the verification code should be arriving now. Let me go to my email and check. So yeah, here's the verification code to my email. Now I'll copy the verification code, and then I'll paste it here, and then I'll confirm withdrawal, guys. Okay, so you see the withdrawal is now processing. I'm just waiting to arrive. So guys, as you can see now, it's confirming the withdrawal. It usually takes a few minutes. Just don't hurry. So guys, I forgot to tell you that after withdrawal, you can see the fee amount is 3.5%. So I'm going to receive 530. Also, it's not a problem, because still it's a profit, and every trading platform has fees. All right, so it's now confirming. Let me click on view on Tronscan. Confirming, guys. So if I click view on tron scan, guys, you can see it's successful here, 530, and now here it's confirmed. Let me go back and check whether it confirmed here. Just give it a few seconds. Usually takes a very few seconds. I think now it's confirmed. Yes, completed. You can see it's here. It's now completed, guys. So I need to go back to my Binance and check whether it has arrived. You can see there, I'm refreshing, and you can see 530 has been confirmed, and the 30 is the profit, guys. Remember, I had before here, inside here I had, you can see now I have 0.8. Before I had 100, I topped up 400, and that is it, guys. So guys, that's very easy. That's how it's done. Remember to always like this video, always join my Telegram channel. The link is on my TikTok. I have pinned it there. And remember to save and like this video, guys. It will never appear on your FYP again. Thank you so much, and have a lovely week ahead.